Good morning, team. Today is March 13th. Looking at the overall economical calendar. Main two things you guys want to watch is CPI. That's basically the inflation report. If it's above 6.5, that is negative, and we may experience a drop. And anything lower, we may get a muted response. Wednesday, we have PPI, and that's pretty much the only 2 days you got to worry about this week. Thursday, we have jobless numbers. A lot of banks are closing. These are going to be key banks you probably want to watch. JP Morgan, this is trading below the 20-day EMA. Watch for a break below 131. Then we could start gapping down towards 127. Only looking at downside for these possible things just because of the situation at hand. Bank of America, right? Trading below the 28, very oversold though. Definitely want to be cautious with this one, but 28 is the low. Could possibly get a gap down from 28.91 down towards 28. Another one, probably the main one I'm watching is FRC. A lot of people were drawing funds from this bank. This bank was basically trading at like the 137 level, and now it's trading at $20. Remember, these trades are high risk, especially if the bank ends up closing because of too much withdrawals. So definitely want to be cautious and risk what you're willing to lose because they could halt this stock and you can't take your money out. So watch out for that as well too. But $20, and we're at 10-year lows, we're at 20 years lows. So soon as we break $20, we could probably go towards like 15, 10, maybe even zero. So watch out for that. Key stocks you want to watch today is going to be Tesla. We were on a bearish trend last week. Want to see if that continues. MACD seems to be crossing down on the 20-day 168 is basically the 20-day low. That's going to be the level you want to watch to see if we break this week or today. If we break 168, we have a nice gap down towards 168. We could start gapping down towards like 162, maybe even filling up to this 157, which was a previous support. So watch out for that. And to the upside, I want to see if we break above the 180-day EMA line, this blue line that basically follows the candles. As soon as we start getting above at least 175, we can start pushing up towards 179 on Tesla. Right now, the MACD on the 180-day is crossing down. We are retesting. This could be a possible double bottom, meaning we could basically bounce off these levels and go up, or we could basically come down here and then we chop around over here until CPI tomorrow. So that is perfectly possible. Make sure you guys are very cautious because a lot of people are waiting for tomorrow's information, but you never know what could happen, and you never want to go into the market with a bias. It could easily bounce from here or it could sink. So you never know. Make sure you guys watch out for those levels. This way you can know. Overall on the SPY, right? Key levels we want to watch on the SPY. SPY needs to break above 390 before we can start pushing up towards the 1-year SMA, which we basically rejected it once, twice, fell, right? So we need to watch for 390, and we can start going to 393. We are coming down towards a 20-day low over here of 384. Hopefully she's not greedy and break it before the bell. I hate when she does that, but watch for that 384 break. Once we break 384, if you jump back over towards the 180-day, you have a nice gap down from 384 down towards 380 over here. So you can see where 380 held that support. 384 was a major support before we started to go on the intermediate bull run. So let's see what happens. Hopefully she waits for us. Hopefully she bounce off of this zone, kind of like what Tesla did, right? Tesla could possibly double bottom over here and bounce, or it could chop around until tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Use a stop loss, practice safe trading. Remember, let the moves come to you. Don't force anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.